welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Osaku Omorido, and if you are just seeing this for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you've already subscribed, welcome back. Okay, now today we'll be talking about logical reasoning. And what do we mean by logical reasoning? Logical reasoning is a way of thinking. Okay, now one way in which people use these languages is to try to develop a line of argument or reasoning. Now we'll be considering 5 areas here. We'll talk about the negative statement, the conjunction, disjunction, conditional, and biconditional. Now let's talk about the negative statement first. Okay, now the negative statement. Now this is the symbol or the sign. These are the signs. Okay, now let's say we have P. Now P, let's say P is a good boy. Now the negative of P, which is the negative statement of P, will be what? Not a what? Not a good boy. Okay, now creating a truth value, we have P and we have what? Negative of P. Okay, now let's say P is true and false. Now the negative of true is what? Is false, and the negative of false is what? Is true. Okay, now talking about the conjunction, this is the sign for conjunction. Now, conjunction, what we need to know about conjunction is that in conjunction, a statement is said to be true when both P and Q are what? Are true. Now, we have, let's say we have P and we have what? We have Q. Okay? Now, this P we have true, true, false, false. And this Q we have true, false, true, false. I know you guys will be wondering how I come about this. This is, now let's say we have 2. These 2, that's 2 raised power what? 2 raised power 2, which will be equal to what? Which will be equal to 4. Now it means that in the first place we have true to be twice and false to be twice. Now in the second place it will be 1, just 1, in order to fill in the 4 gap. Now we have, let's say P conjunction Q. Okay, now I told you guys that a statement is said to be true when both P and Q are true when dealing with conjunction. So P and Q are true to be what? True. Then all these ones, they are not true. So this will be false, false, and false. So this is what you guys need to know about conjunction. Now coming to disjunction. In disjunction, look at, this is the symbol. Now looking at this disjunction and this conjunction, you will see that it's like word and opposite. This is, you know, this one we said it is true when both P and Q are true. But this place, it will be false when both P and Q are false. Now let's say we have P and we have Q. Okay? Now this is T, false, false, true, false, true, false. Okay? Now we have P disjunction Q. Okay, now I told you that it is false when both P and Q are what? False. So it means these 3 here, all of them, they are true. All of them are what? They are true. But this one is what? It is false, which means it is false when both P and Q are what? When both P and Q are false. Now, talking about the conditional statement. The conditional statement, in conditional statement, what you guys need to know is that it is false when the antecedent is true and the consequent is false. What do I mean? It means it is false when P is true and Q is false. Now let's say we have a truth value to be like this. Okay, now we have true, true, false, false. Okay, now we have true, false, true, false. Now I told you that it is false when P is true and when Q is what? Is false. Okay, now we have P conditional Q. Now it is false when P is what? True, and when Q is false. So this is true. Okay, now it is false when P is true and when Q is false. Okay, this is false and this is true and this is what? This is true. So this is what you guys need to know about conditional statements. Now talking about the biconditional statement. Now this is the symbol for biconditional statement. Now this biconditional statement, what you guys need to know is that it is true when both P and Q are true or when both P and Q are false. For example, let's say the truth value is like this. Okay, we have true, true, false, false, and we have true, false, true, false. So I said it is true when both P and Q are what? True, or when both P and Q are false. So this is true. Now this is false because they are not, both of them, they are not true, or both of them are not false. Now this is false. Now it is true when both P and Q are true, or when both P and Q are what? False. So this is what you guys need to know, the basic knowledge you guys need to have about logical reasoning. So thank you guys for watching.